What are you expecting? What are you expecting in your life? What do you expect for this day to become? What do you expect for your tomorrow to become? What are your goals? What are your visions for your life? What are the plans that you have set before you? So let's just dive into some of that and let's see where it's going to take us today. Come on this journey with me. Come on this journey with me. Yes, yes, and yes. Say yes, yes, yes to your purpose. Yes. Hello again. It's me. Welcome to Heart with Margie. Wednesday. This is Winning Wednesday. This is Wonderful Wednesday. Let's start your day off. It's time to deep dive. Have a deep dive session with yourself. Have a deep dive session with yourself. And what do I mean by that? I mean, doesn't matter what's happening in this world, what's happening around you. Just have a deep dive session with yourself, because what's happening in this world and what's happening around you is not you. So I want you to succeed in everything you set out to accomplish. And you can do that. But you just got to deep dive. You got to do some deep dive within yourself. Go within yourself. Take some time. Take some time off and just sit still and go within yourself. I promise you. I just want to encourage you today that no matter what you are going through, no matter what you have been through, it's never too late to be great. I want you to know that. And life comes with many challenges, many situations, many circumstances. However, it's not you. So over here at Get Healthy Now Mastery, I'm just here to encourage and inspire each one of us, including myself, to make necessary changes in our lifestyle, in our eating habits, in our exercise habits. Oh my goodness, you guys, in your thinking patterns. I'm telling you, it's time to do a deep dive. Deep dive. Deep dive means you're going within and you're getting to know yourself. When you wake up early in the morning, just take 5 minutes. Wake up 5 minutes earlier, and just take 5 minutes and sit with yourself. Just sit there. You don't have to say a word. Just sit. You can close your eyes or you can keep your eyes open. But just sit there and just reminisce with your being, your inner being. Do that. Breathe. Take some deep breaths and enjoy your life for those 5 minutes. If you do that for 7 days a week, you will actually change your life. You will actually begin to give yourself the best version of you. Oh my goodness. It has worked for me, and I know when you do this, it will work for you. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Just take some time and just deep dive. Do some, really, you guys, really, really, really go in and do some deep diving. Oh my, you know how they have deep diving? Those deep divers go down into the ocean. Oh, you guys, let me tell you something. There is a floor on the ocean. But when you go within yourself, there is no floor. There is no limit to you. There's no floor and there is no ceiling. Oh my goodness, how powerful are you? How powerful are you? I just wanted to take this time and just share this with you that it's never too late to be great. Here's what you got to do. You got to reignite your purpose. Reignite your purpose. Resurface your goals. Resurface your vision. Oh my goodness. Set fire to your goals and your vision. Set fire to your purpose. You can do that. You can do that. You can do that. Yes, you can. So I want you to just take time out for that. This is Get Healthy Now Mastery, just taking time out to come to you heart to heart. Heart from my heart to your heart. And from your heart to my heart. That's all I wanted to do today, is to share that with you. It's never too late to be great. And that you are great and powerful. So I am going to leave you on that note. And I wanted to say this. I have a few announcements I need to make. Don't forget about Fasting Fridays, which starts Friday mornings at 10 o'clock a.m. and ends Saturday morning at 10 o'clock a.m. That's Friday fasting. Fasting Friday, 24 hour. And Saturday morning live at 10 o'clock a.m. Tea time with Margie, with me. Tea time. Tea time, tea time, tea time. Yes. And then I was supposed to have a live at 1 o'clock, a juice party at 1 o'clock. However, I have to reschedule the juice party. And I will tell you why I need to schedule a juice party, because I twisted my knee last Wednesday, a week ago, and it wasn't healing like I thought it should be healing. So then I went to the ER on Tuesday morning and found out that I had a sprain in a ligament on my right knee. And so this is why I postponed rescheduling my live for Saturday, May the 16th. So there will not be a live party Saturday at 1 o'clock. I will only do one live on Saturday, and that's at 10 a.m. However, I will reschedule that live because I was excited about that, and I know some of you all were excited with me and for me, so we are going to reschedule. I'm not sure of the date yet, but I want to I need to heal a little more, because I know during the party I will be doing walking back and forth. So I thought I better go ahead on and reschedule that. So on that note, I thank you all so much for joining me today. And I pray that God will continue to bless you and strengthen you. And you will continue to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful, wonderful, winning Wednesday. Give the world the best version of you. Give yourself the best version of you. All right? Until the next video. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.